Well, earlier we spoke with Olympic gold medalist Cullen Jones. He's a member of the USA swimming team and a spokesman for Make a Splash Tour. Seeing them just yet, and that includes portions of the southeast from Birmingham, Atlanta, so far, Charleston as well. You see, though, those areas that are starting to see some of the scattered showers, also the spot where we have outlook, as Mark was talking about, that severe threat today, damaging winds and heavy rain. Out ahead of it, more scattered showers than anything. Even though tomorrow we see this move off to the east, so a few more areas getting the chance to see storms from Jacksonville into Charlotte, Atlanta too. Any of these spots capable of picking up a quick inch or two of rainfall before all is said and done. But even hanging on to Monday with scattered showers and thunderstorms across the southeast. So this is where we're going to see sort of those wet conditions continue. And as I mentioned, maybe a quick 1 or 2 inches. Those areas in yellow, though, where we've seen so much rain already, that's where we could be picking up more like an additional 3 to 5 plus inches over the next day or two. Holding out on the rain today in the northeast, but it's creeping in. Pittsburgh, you'll see some showers today. By tomorrow, it's into Allentown and Albany, up towards Burlington and Boston, as well as Providence and Hartford. So by Monday, still a wet commute for New York into Hartford, Syracuse, and Burlington along the I-95 corridor. South of there, a little bit of a break, places like D.C. and into the mid-Atlantic for some of those showers and storms. Mark? All of it we've seen over the last few days. Tornadoes and, of course, the heavy, heavy rain, which some of that we've already seen this morning. But here's our big, big weather maker. You see the curl with the satellite picture. We go deep and talk about the mechanisms at play here, that area of low pressure, the cold front sweeping through, but out ahead of it, it is warm, it is muggy, it's fuel for more showers and thunderstorms, some of it severe. Can't ignore the blue on the map either. More April snow for the Rockies, some high elevation snow picking up quite a bit, in fact. But temperatures also 15 to 25 degrees below average. On the other side, Mark, we know it's warm. It's final exam mode. They wrapped up classes earlier in the week. But right now, some of the heavier showers moving to the north. So as we take a look at what's happening right now, you see the heaviest of the rainfall off to the west. Lots of high clouds pushing into the rest of the southeast. Lots of warmth and humidity. That's fueling that severe threat. Includes Nashville today, Birmingham down through the Gulf Coast, as we've seen that happen already this morning. Now, by tomorrow, we see this push more to the east, so a few more areas getting the chance to see those thunderstorms from Charlotte to Atlanta to Charleston, 95 corridor between Jacksonville and northbound as you get into North Carolina. Kind of a wet run here, but again, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Maybe not quite the level of rainfall that we're seeing in parts of the Gulf Coast with that 2 to 3 or even 3 to 5 inches of rain as we get into Monday, but you can still see a good amount of areas picking up at 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, some of that coming quickly with those heavier thunderstorms, and that'll be enough to slow you down on the roadways. One spot, a couple spots actually, holding out for the drier conditions today, parts of the northeast and the mid-Atlantic. But you can see from Cincinnati, Cleveland to Pittsburgh, those showers starting them by tomorrow.
Mess up the drivers, but you got the whole infield and everyone likes to party at Talladega. They might have to clear that place out because there could be some big time storms coming through. Even
through tomorrow. I know they get basically like jet engines to try and dry the track, but lightning is lightning, folks. So pay attention to those. Here we got have in Chicago, Wrigley Field, first pitch today at 1:20 with the Braves in town against the Cubs. Hey there, wind.
Yeah, and hey there, rain. I don't know if that one's going to happen either. We've got on and off rain in the forecast. Just kind of a messy day for the spectators, that's for sure.
All right, we'll be back right after your local on the 8th. A great swimming analogy there with the rising temperatures. Many of you are going to start heading to that closest pool. And did you know that May is National Water Safety Month? Well, earlier we spoke with Olympic gold medalist Cullen Jones.